Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Drive. Once done, find the video file you want to share and confirm it's a compatible format like MP4. Next, right-click the file to reveal the menu and choose Share. This is the first actionable step that opens the sharing controls. Make sure to avoid unnecessary steps. You'll use this share dialog to change link access and permissions immediately, so keep it open and ready to edit. Once the share dialog is open, click Change to Anyone with the link to make the video accessible without signing in. Then select the appropriate role, choose Viewer to let people watch only, or Editor if you want collaborators to modify the file. After adjusting permissions, copy the generated link and paste it into an incognito or private browser window to confirm it truly loads publicly. Make sure to double-check privacy settings so you're not oversharing inadvertently. To finish, decide how you'll distribute the video. Share the copied link directly or open the video preview, choose More Actions, and use Embed Item to get HTML code for a website. Once shared, you can always return to the share dialog to set an expiration date or revoke access. If someone reports they can't view it, first confirm you set link sharing to anyone with the link and check for domain or organization restrictions. If needed, change permissions or re-upload with public settings enabled.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.